Hello everyone, in this segment we will delve into the Federation of Free Workers or FFW, a significant labor union in the Philippines dedicated to advocating for workers' rights. The Federation of Free Workers, commonly known as FFW, was established in 1950 as a national trade union center committed to promoting fair labor practices and protecting the welfare of workers. With an impressive membership of around 40,000 dues-paying members, FFW represents a diverse group of workers across various industries in the Philippines. FFW has made significant strides in addressing irregular employment and advocating for decent wages. However, the organization continues to face challenges in ensuring fair labor practices and protecting workers' rights. FFW has cultivated partnerships with international trade union bodies, strengthening its advocacy efforts and expanding its reach in addressing labor issues on a global scale. Moving on to Kulusang Mayo Uno o KMU, an independent labor center in the Philippines known of its commitment to genuine trade unionism and workers' rights. Kilusang Mayo Uno was founded in 1980 with a clear mission to stand up workers' rights and combat foreign domination in the labor sector, embodying a spirit of genuine and militant trade unionism. Through collaborations with international trade union bodies, KMU actively defends the right of strike and champions labor rights both locally and globally. KMU has achieved notable success in improving working conditions, fighting for fair wages, and spearheading initiatives to advance the rights of workers in the Philippines. Their dedication and resilience has made KMU a powerful force in the labor movement, challenging inequalities and striving for a fairer and more equitable society. Lastly, let's explore the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, or TUCP, the largest confederation of labor federations in the country, known of its significant impact on labor negotiations and advocacy. TUCP's diverse membership base reflects an inclusive approach to representing the interests of workers from various sectors and industries. Through strategic partnerships with labor organizations and international trade union bodies, UTCP amplifies its impact in addressing labor issues and promoting social justice. UTCP's influence in representing workers' interests and recent initiatives in advocating for labor rights underscore its commitment to advancing the welfare and rights of Filipino workers. Through their dedication and collective action, TUCP continued to make a significant impact in shaping labor policies and advocating for the betterment of the Filipino workforce. As we conclude our exploration of the Bukluran ng Manggagawang Pilipino and other influential labor unions, we are reminded of their unwavering commitment to workers' rights, social justice, and the betterment of the Filipino workers. Through their leaderships, achievements, and resilience in the face of challenges, these labor unions have made a lasting impact on the lives of workers, advocating for their fair wages, better working conditions, and the protection of the labor rights. Their collective efforts to shape labor policies, influence government decisions, and created a more equitable and inclusive labor environment. Together, we move forward towards a future where every worker is treated with dignity, respect, and fairness. Thank you for joining. on this journey through the remarkable labor unions in the Philippines.